Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Collective, your go-to channel for all things automotive. If you're a fan of vintage trucks, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 vintage pickups that are making waves in 2025. These aren't just any old trucks, these are timeless classics that have stood the test of time, offering the perfect blend of rugged charm and mechanical engineering. Whether you're a collector, a restoration enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates a well-built truck, this list is for you. So let's kick things off with number 5 on our list, the Chevrolet C50 vintage pickup. The Chevrolet C50 is a heavy-duty workhorse that was originally built between the 1960s and 1970s, and it has a legacy that still holds up in 2025. This truck was built for the toughest jobs, and it still carries that same reputation today. The C50 was a medium-duty truck that was available in a variety of configurations, but what really sets it apart is its sheer power. It was typically equipped with a larger V8 engine, often a 348 cubic inch engine that was designed for maximum torque. That means it could haul just about anything, whether it was construction materials, farming supplies, or even large equipment. In 2025, collectors are starting to appreciate the C50 for its durability and sheer presence. If you've got the space to store one, the C50 is one of those trucks that will grab attention wherever you go. The bold front grille, wide stance, and clean lines give it a classic work truck look that hasn't gone out of style. Plus, if you're into customizing, the C50 offers a great platform for restoration projects or modern-day upgrades, while maintaining that vintage charm. For those who appreciate old-school mechanics, the C50 is a perfect choice. Next up, at number 4, we've got the Chevrolet K20 vintage pickup. The Chevrolet K20, which was produced between the 1960s and early 1980s, has earned its place as one of the most iconic off-road trucks of its era. The K20 was the fourth variant of the popular Chevrolet C50, making it a favorite among those who wanted rugged performance in the dirt and mud. With a powerful V8 engine under the hood and a sturdy fourth-gear drivetrain, the K20 could handle any rough terrain you threw at it. Whether it was a long-distance drive over rocky trails or a muddy farm job, the K20 did it all with ease. Fast forward to 2025, and the K20 is still revered by vintage truck enthusiasts. It's known for its durability and versatility. You'll often see the K20 in pristine condition at car shows, where it's been restored to perfection by owners who recognize its historical importance in the off-road world. Even with today's modern off-road vehicles, the K20 still holds its own. The vintage styling, with its distinctive front grille and rugged appearance, continues to capture the hearts of collectors. For those looking for a vintage pickup that can handle both the work side and the weekend trail runs, the Chevrolet K20 remains an all-time favorite. Coming in at number 3, we've got the GMC 100 vintage pickup. The GMC 100, a full-size pickup truck that was first introduced in the late 1940s and early 1950s, may not be as famous as some of its Chevrolet cousins, but it's certainly no stranger to admiration. Often overshadowed by Chevrolet's more popular models, the GMC 100 is a work of art for vintage truck enthusiasts. The first thing that stands out about this truck is its unique design. With its rounded front fenders, sleek lines, and bold grille, the GMC 100 has a distinct look that sets it apart from other trucks of its time. The GMC 100 was available with a range of engine options, including a straight 6 and V8, depending on the year. It's a truck that combines vintage style with solid mechanical engineering. By 2025, the GMC 100 has become a highly sought-after collectible, particularly among those who appreciate the vintage craftsmanship of mid-century American vehicles. Finding a well-maintained or fully restored GMC 100 is like uncovering a piece of automotive history. It's the kind of truck you'll want to take to car meets or shows, and it's also perfect for those looking to perform a ground-up restoration project. If you're someone who values the beauty of a truck that's been well taken care of over the decades, the GMC 100 might just be your perfect vintage pickup. At number 2 on our list, we've got the legendary Ford F1 vintage pickup. The Ford F1, first introduced in 1948, holds a very special place in automotive history. This was Ford's first post-World War II pickup, and it marked a massive leap forward in both design and performance for the brand. The F1 was available in various configurations, including a half-ton version that became popular with farmers, businesses, and everyday drivers alike. It featured a classic design with a broad front grille and smooth flowing lines that made it stand out among other trucks at the time. The true charm of the Ford F1 lies in its simplicity. Under the hood, you'll typically find a straight-six engine, but there were also V8 options available in later models. These engines provided just the right amount of power for the truck's design, making it an excellent balance of workhorse and personal vehicle. In 2025, the Ford F1 is still one of the most coveted vintage trucks on the market. Collectors love the F1 for its connection to Ford's legacy, and for its timeless design that still resonates with truck lovers today. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to restore to original condition, or you want to give it your own unique twist with modern modifications, the Ford F1 offers plenty of possibilities. Finally, coming in at number 1, we have the Chevrolet AK Series Vintage Pickup. The Chevrolet AK Series, produced in the early 1950s, holds the top spot on our list as the most iconic vintage pickup truck of 2025. The AK Series is a true symbol of American automotive history. Its distinctive looks and rugged performance make it one of the most sought-after trucks among collectors and restoration enthusiasts. Chevrolet designed the AK Series to be a durable, reliable truck that could serve both personal and commercial needs. Whether it was transporting goods for a business or hauling materials on a farm, the AK Series was built to handle the toughest jobs. What makes the AK Series stand out is its design. The truck features a sharp, bold grille, smooth curves, and a somewhat boxy yet functional look. These trucks were also equipped with a strong straight-six engine, providing the right balance of power and fuel efficiency. As a work truck, the AK Series was versatile and could be found in both half-ton and three-quarter-ton configurations. In 2025, the AK Series is a true collector's dream. Its classic design, solid build, and strong following among restoration enthusiasts make it the ultimate vintage pickup for anyone who wants a piece of American history. Whether you're restoring one to its original condition or customizing it with modern touches, the Chevrolet AK Series is a timeless beauty that demands respect. It's a truck that not only looks great on display at car shows, but also still has the durability to take on the road today. So, there you have it. The top 5 vintage pickups that are making waves in 2025. From the tough and rugged Chevrolet C50 to the sleek and timeless Chevrolet AK Series, these trucks have proven themselves as lasting symbols of American automotive craftsmanship. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned collector, these vintage pickups offer something for everyone, and their charm only continues to grow with time. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Car Collective for more automotive content, vintage features, and deep dives into the cars and trucks we all love. Let us know in the comments which vintage pickup is your favorite, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep those engines roaring, and remember, it's always a great day when you're behind the wheel of a classic